My research finds striking results that 40-year reduction in air pollution, or say aerosol, significantly contributed to an increased number of hurricanes in the North Atlantic. So definitely this reduction in air pollution from the United States and Europe hugely helped human health. But my research shows that sometimes good things have unintended consequences. Air pollution blocks the sunlight. This causes the cooling of the ocean surface. So this cooling brings unfavorable conditions for hurricane. And the opposite is true, that if air pollution is decreased, the sun is more able to heat the ocean. And this warming ocean fuels hurricanes. So this is what's happening over the past 40 years. On the other hand, over the Western North Pacific, China and India increases a lot of emission of aerosol. This in turn leads to decrease in typhoons there. This study reminds me of the recent COVID-19 pandemic actually. So you think of the pandemic, so the economy and industry slowed down over the past 2 years. That means maybe aerosol emission decreased over the past few years. So interestingly, the Atlantic hurricane season was very active over the past 3 years. So I'm wondering if this active hurricane season over the past years could be related to aerosol decrease because of the pandemic.